Versatile outdoor grill ideal for camping, hunting, and tailgating. Delivers 11,000 BTUs of heat across 180 square inch of grilling surface. WindBlock panels shield burners from wind and fold down for use as side tables. PerfectHeat technology ensures efficient cooking using less fuel. PerfectFlow technology provides consistent performance even in extreme conditions. Enjoy easy outdoor grilling at the campsite or tailgate party with the Coleman Camp Propane Grill. With a heat intensity of 11,000 BTUs, this durable, steel-crafted grill gives you the cooking power to prepare a wide range of foods. PerfectFlow technology helps keep the heat steady even in extreme conditions, while PerfectHeat technology allows for more fuel-efficient cooking. WindBlock panels help shield your flame from the wind and fold down for use as side tables on calm days. With its 180 square inch cooktop, this portable barbecue grill offers a large cooking surface area that is perfect for grilling meals for families or groups. And thanks to its porcelain-coated surface and removable grease tray, this propane grill is easy to clean. The Coleman Camp Propane Grill lasts up to 2 hours on high with one 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Best camp stove to use. I do not know what we did before we got our Coleman Camp stove. We have gone to several campsites and RV parks, and they have had no grills available. We usually cook in our RV, but have lately found that we love to set out our Coleman stove to cook most of our meals on. We don't have to worry about weight, because the Coleman stove is light and easy to store. We just put it in the camper, and don't have to worry about it. We pull it out, and it is easy to put together. We buy small bottles of Coleman gas to use with the stove. We also use larger propane tanks when the need arises. I love the 2 wind blockers on each side of the stove. It helps to keep the flames going, even with the slightest winds. There has been nothing we have been able to cook on our Coleman stove. When we pulled up to a campsite, people came around to find out what we are cooking on. I highly recommend this Coleman stove to anyone that does camping or RVing. You can also use the stove in combination with your grill in the summertime. The heat is easy to regulate, and we have had no problem cooking anything at all. You don't need to go camping, or even leave your backyard, to enjoy this Coleman stove. It is cheaper on Amazon than any stores we looked at. It was shipped fast, so we had it in no time at all.